Okay, Alice is entering the ring. Look at him. He's looking like innocent beast right now.
सदिका मेरो नाम चाहिँ एलिस पम्जन रिप्रेजेन्टिङ हार्दिक फिटनेस क्लब पाटन ललितपुर
हेलो नमस्ते सदिखाप म गुमान गर्दी मगर मेरो घर चाहिँ प्युठान अहिले हाल चाहिँ मैले ट्रेनिङ जिमखाना मैथाइमा गरिरहेको छु
अझसम्म फाइटको एक्सपिरियन्स राम्रै हुँदैछ मेरो फर्स्ट फाइट चाहिँ ब्रिगर्समान किक बक्सिङ 5th ब्रिगर्समान किक बक्सिङ
फाइट एक्सपिरियन्स चाहिँ मेरो के भन्छ 9 फाइट अनि 2टा लस हो अनि 7 विन हो अनि त्यसमध्ये चाहिँ मेरो 4वटा चाहिँ नकआउट हानेको छ
डेली ट्रेनिङ इट्स गोइङ गुड लाइक बिहान 2 घन्टा बेलुका 2 घन्टा फोकसिङ अन सार्पनेस पावर कन्डिसनिङ नर्मल ट्रेनिङमा त्यस्तो फोकस्ड भएन थियो ठिकै मेकिङ स्ट्राइक्स सार्पर डेली अनि अहिले चाहिँ सेटअप्सहरू स्ट्राइक्सहरू कम्बिनेसन्सहरू मोर युज हुँदैछ
ट्रेनिङहरू चाहिँ एकदम राम्रै भइरहेको छ अब ट्रेनिङहरू रनिङहरू अलि हार्डै भइरहेको छ अलि टेक्निकल्ली र अलिकति हार्डवर्कमा चाहिँ अलि धेरै फोकस गरिरहेको छु ट्रेनिङको रुटिन भन्नुभयो चाहिँ बिहान चाहिँ रनिङ गर्छ रनिङ अनि स्याडो प्रायः कार्डियोहरू गर्छ बिहान अनि साँझमा चाहिँ दिउँसो अनि साँझमा चाहिँ अलिकति प्याडोहरूदेखि लिएर टेक्निकहरू
कन्फिडेन्स प्रिटी गुड
कन्फिडेन्स त अब कम्पिटिसनमा कन्फिडेन्स बिना त अब फाइट नै हुँदैन होइन कन्फिडेन्स त एकदमै कन्फिडेन्स छु यस्तो फाइटहरू धेरै खेलिरहेको हो
रिफ्रेस फाइट प्लेटफर्म चाहिँ एकदमै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ हाम्रो लागि किन
But I was going for the knockout. तर त्यो फाइट चाहिँ उसले जितेको थियो र मैले लस गरेको थिएँ बट नेभर माइन्ड द्याट किनभने अहिले भने उसको रेकर्ड भइसकेको छ 9-2 एन्ड एलिसको रेकर्ड छ 9-4 एन्ड एलिस already fight with the Guman, so and he was the winner last time. Let's see what happened.
So it's kind of a rematch here.
Coming up first, this fighter holds a professional record of 9 wins, 4 losses, stands 167 centimeters tall, weighing in at 58 kgs, fighting out of Hardik Fitness, Elise Bomdon! And his opponent holds a professional record of 9 wins, 2 losses, stands 164 centimeters tall, weighing in at a 58 kgs, fighting out of Gymkhana, Muay Thai, Guman Gardi Magar!
Referee is
Telling
explaining
them.
the rules to the fighters. So now with that, first round begins. Let's see who's gonna secure some points, some crucial points to take this round with them.
Okay, nice cross connected by Ellis. Guman is going for knees. Oh, nice knee by Guman to Ellis.
Absolutely, both of these fighters have initiated fight in the first round. दुवैजना एकदम all in गइरहेको छ first round बाट, which is a good thing for all of the audience out here.
भर्खरै जुन त्यो निज एलिसले खपेको छ त्यो हेर्दाखेरि he is not easy opponent. He is very strong. He already proved that. But let's see what's happened. Oh, that was nice kick by both of them.
Ooh, and that was a amazing punch by Guman Karti Magar. Ellis said that he was a
Ellis
technical
just
fighter.
get knocked
Let's see if it's
down
prove his
and
words here.
Didn't get count right now. He didn't get count right now because that was
Again
not too effective.
and again
Look at
and
those
again.
punches connecting on
Guman
the
is
faces.
not stopping. He's going all in. He's throwing those jabs. He's
Yeah,
pushing
they are-
his opponent to the corner. And again, he's throwing some kicks as well with a punch combination with that knee as well.
Laughing at each other's faces. I think दुवैजना एकअर्काको फेसमा हेर्दै हाँसिरहेर यो वार लडिरहेको छ right now. And it's like अघि नै भनेको जस्तै it's like rematch for the both of them.
Okay, nice attempt by Guman here.
Nice kick by Alice.
Both of the fighters are standing still right now. Both of them have same kind of stamina and that hunger for that gold medal.
Both of them going for the clinches right now, and
And with that, Alice is on his knees again. I think Guman is taking an upper hand with that kick again, and with that
nice,
oh,
nice
and that's a
cross
takedown.
connected, and after that, what?
Alice
What?
Johnson, I
Did
think it's
Alice
over.
just get
I
knocked
think
out?
it's over now.
Did Alice just get
Alice-
knocked out right now?
I think we're witnessing
Is he
a
thinking
first knockout,
something, or he
and
just get
that's a
knocked
knockout.
out? What was that?
And that's a
Alice
knockout.
just get knocked down right now. By the Guman got the murder, man. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Look at that cross-connected back. Guman got the mugger. And that clean cross-connected on its chin, and he get knocked down.
I think Alice is
Did
brutally
this
hurt
fight
here.
already got finished, yeah? जहाँसम्म मलाई लागेको थियो, Alice was not going to give up, but Guman was a little bit powerful for him. Look at that clean cross connected by Guman, and that uppercut and bam.
Yes, of course, Neiman.
Ooh, that was really appreciating.
Ladies and gentlemen, a referee has called a stop to this contest at 140 seconds of round number 1, declaring the winner by knockout, Guman Khati Magar. तिमीले चान्स पाएको कारणले गर्दा हाम्रो WBC मुay thai प्रेसिडेन्टले तिमीलाई 20,000 rupees knockout bonus दिनुभएको छ. Hey, let's go! I'd like to invite Raju Rai on the stage.